to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to try to do a really simple Halloween look, so stick around and stay tuned. Alright, so Halloween is right around the corner and I'm kind of in the spirit, so I want to try something out. And I want to try a Halloween look with natural hair. I don't really see this done much with natural hair, so I'm just going to do something really simple. I'm just going to be a witch. And yeah, so I got the Get Hued Silver Storm temporary color gel. And then I also have this Mofang hair coloring wax in the color purple, if you can see that. And I'm gonna do that, and then I got a little hair accessory. Now this hair accessory I got, and I paid way too much for it, especially look how tiny this is. But I'm pretty sure you guys could probably find something like this at the Dollar Tree. I went to search in my Dollar Tree and they didn't have much. Everything was pretty much picked over because it's very last minute. So yeah, check out your local Dollar Tree. You never know, they may have it. I only tried one Dollar Tree. I could have shopped around. I didn't really feel like it, but it's okay. That's what I get. But that's what I'm gonna use. And yeah, I'm just gonna try this real cute, simple, last minute Halloween style. So I hope it comes out pretty cute. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I am working on, this is actually my Bantu knot out. I just flat twisted it after that. So I think I want some little gray pieces in the front and majority of my hair to be purple. And then another part of me wants to mix some of the purple and the gray. I really do want to make a mess. I'm not sure. I'm gonna just go with the flow and just get messy, all right? Yes, my nails are messed up again. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Maybe I will talk about it. Basically, as your nails are getting longer, you have to apply more gel, and you also have to build more structure within the nails so they're stronger. And I wasn't doing that because I was being lazy, and my nails broke off. And one of them hurts really bad. This one right here. No, I'm not giving you the finger. Yeah, this one hurts really bad because it broke like right on the nail bed. Oh my god, it's the worst. So this part and this part, I'm going to mix them. I like it. so this is what it is looking like. I just did purple all throughout the back, and then the 2 gray in the front, and then a mixture, I think right here. I think so, yeah. I added on a little bit more purple in the mixed ones. But yes, this is what it's looking like. Hopefully it comes out really cute. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I will be back tomorrow to show the final results. Alright guys, so let me get started. I went ahead and did my makeup and everything. So I got this look idea. This is a very beginner friendly eyeshadow look that I seen on LQ Love's channel, so definitely go check her out. I will leave the link in the description box to that video, you guys. You definitely have to try it. I am a super beginner, okay? I don't know what the hell I be doing, and I was trying to do something. Oh, I'm ashy as hell. Yeah, so I was trying to do something myself, and it was trash, yeah. It looked so bad. It looked so bad, so I went and pulled up one of her videos and tried out her beginner eyeshadow look, and it came out so cute. Now, I am a beginner, so don't be too harsh on me. Everything ain't symmetrical. Everything's not perfect, but I tried, y'all, and I think I did a pretty good job. You let me know. But yes, definitely go subscribe to LQ Love. She does amazing makeup tutorials, so you go check that out over there. And let's get into this look. I'm about to take these twists down and see what it's looking like. And I just did a little lip combo, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing I'm kind of noticing is the piece where I did the purple and the silver. It didn't really do much. Not really. It's still, I mean, it's cute, but it didn't look how I thought. It looked better when I was applying it. There's a lot of flaking going on right now too. This is still coming out pretty cute. Ooh, we did something. Oh, her. I see you. Alright, this is cute. Oh my gosh, should I stretch it? No, I don't think I'm gonna stretch it, but I am gonna lace these edges down. They do need to be laid. There's just something needs to be done with them because they're looking crazy. I'm going to do my edges, and I'm gonna get a yeah, I don't really need to stretch it, but I am gonna fluff it out a little bit. We're gonna get some more volume going on in here, okay? So I'll be back. All right, this is what we are looking like. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then now, just for the final touches, my little witch hat right here. Bow. Just call me the Wicked Witch of the East. Super simple, super easy, quick little Halloween costume you can put together in no time. Alright guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! I wish all my hands, but they're dirty. Oh well. Bye!
Organized society. You away with all those wretched creatures who are neither alive nor dead.